Hey guys, today is the day 13 of the 28 days data science AI Gen AI challenge. So what I have done today is I have put forward a use case for you, a use case of a stock price reduction, okay, with the help of the deep learning, the neural network, what we have understood in the last 12 days. Okay, so deep learning, when I say deep learning, I'm going to put forward a ANN use case. So technically I'm going to do the every steps what I have learned in the past, try to implement it here and try to explain you step by step. Okay, so very quick. Okay, so basically I don't want to share a lot of stuff in the slides. So whenever we think about data solution, right, we think about the problem here is the stock price prediction. Okay, to keep it simple, I have just said whether it is going to be positive or whether it is going to be negative. Okay, the return is going to be positive or negative, because getting the exact price can be very difficult. Okay, so keep it simple. In data extraction, I have got the data from an API, okay, which you will see in the code. Data transformation, I have done the standardization. With the help of standard scalar. Then model building is nothing but the ANN. Then evaluation. So basically here I have tried to evaluate whether the model is overfit, underfit, or a good model. So somewhere I will say that if I'm able to reach 60% of accuracy, it is a good fit model. Okay, then it comes model deployment and then the model governance. So somewhere I'll stop it here. Model deployment and model governance, something which I like to explain in the next section or in next day challenges. Okay, so next part is the code. I'm going to share you the code, do the step-by-step stuff. And if you have any question till here, please come forward and share your comments, share your feedbacks. I'm happy to answer your questions. Okay, see you in the code side. The code part of the day 13 challenge. So I have put forward a neural network to predict the stock market price. The stock market which I have chosen is the Apple stock market stock price. Okay, so very simple. I have divided the whole thing into different cell, giving a title to explain what exactly I'm trying to do in that cell. Okay, in my first line I have put forward my Discord server community. If you want to come forward, share your comments, you can share it in Discord server. It is going to go to in YouTube. You have my LinkedIn link. So there are multiple places where you can come forward and ask questions. Okay, so let's jump into the problem statement and the code what we have. So the first cell technically explains the all the libraries which are important for me. Okay, so it is exactly same what I have done in my past codes also. If you want to see those, I can add those link in my description. Okay, so please go and look into those codes. So here the very important thing is that you have to understand that I've used a library to collect data between 2020 0101, so 1st January 2020 till 1st January 2021. Okay, you can actually do data at least few 5-6 days back also, but I've just chosen data of this one here. Okay, I've done all the things similar. So I've done the standardization of the data set. One very important thing you have to remember is that I have not went with the exact stock price, but just try to understand whether the return is going to be 0 or 1. That's it. Okay, keeping my idea of the problem statement simpler. Okay, I went ahead, build my neural network. Okay, the activation function which I have used for my hidden networks are ReLU. Okay, ReLU, and my output layer is Sigmoid. The reason behind it Sigmoid, because I'm going to give an output of 0 and 1. That's why I have used Sigmoid. I have used Adam as my optimizer. Simple, because I have, as per the yesterday's video, I have seen Adam optimizer and gradient descent optimizer. Adam optimizer does a very good job, so I have chosen Adam optimizer. I have done an epoch of 50. It went ahead, and here what I have showed you is that the output of it. So if you see the output, you can see that on my right hand side the validation loss and the training loss do decrease as the epoch increases. The same time, when it comes to accuracy, right, the accuracy of the of my training accuracy is very high. okay, somewhere around 80, somewhere around 80%, but my validation accuracy is very low, somewhere around 60%. So it is a very clear cut example of a overfitting issue. Okay, so to handle this, right, I cannot stop it here. To handle this, what I have done, I have put forward some ideas behind it. This can be a very good a gold mine for you to think about it if you have any similar kind of overfitting issue. So what I have done two things. I have added a dropout layer which helps to prevent a overfitting kind of stuff and disables pure neurons during the training stuff itself. Okay, and L2 regulation technically penalizes the larger weights, encourages for a simpler kind of model. So I've implemented that in my neural network. Okay, after that everything is same. The only thing is which adds here. So I have put forward one more code saying early stopping, which what it is going to do is that it stops training when the validation loss stops improving in that sense. Okay, so it doesn't go till the 50th epoch anymore. If it is going to have no improvement, it stops there. Okay, then I have put forward a 50 epoch, and my resultant looks like this. Remember, I have told that if my accuracy is somewhere around 60%, I would accept this model, right? So if you see, my loss is reducing as I touched a 50 epoch. At the same time, my training accuracy and my validation accuracy is also at the good side. If you see, my training accuracy touches somewhere around 62% and my validation accuracy is somewhere around 57%, which is, I would say, between plus and minus 5% differences, which is valid. So if I want to take it ahead from here and improve this scores, right, what I will do is that I'll try to get more data, okay, more features, which is for sure is going to help to predict a better predict better in the future. Okay, so I'll take a pause here. If you have any question till here, please put forward in the comment. I'm happy to share my view. I'm happy to share my ideas till here, okay, on anything what you have. And please subscribe. I can see that people have viewed the video but have not subscribed. Please subscribe. It does encourages me to create more videos. Thank you guys. If you have reached till here, it means that you have finished the video. Thanks for watching and being part of the 28 Data Science Challenge. Your support, engagement and enthusiasm make this journey even more exciting for me. If you found this valuable, drop a comment, share your insight and tag a friend who should join us. Let's keep learning, building and growing together in the AI engineering space. Make sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned for the next challenging stuff what is going to come tomorrow, because we have just started and it's going to get better and better as we go. Bye.